Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to stop copy trading on Bybit. First, go to the Bybit website and make sure you log it in. Then, click on Tools from the top menu and select Copy Trading. Here, you'll see your copy trading dashboard. To stop copying a master trader, go to the User Center Followers section. From there, click on Master Trader and then Current Copy Trades. Now, click on Details next to the master trader you want to unfollow. To cancel all copied items, including USDT perpetual trades and the trading bots, go to the Copy Trading Classic Settings page and click Cancel Copy in the top right corner. If you only want to cancel specific items like USDT perpetual trades or trading bots, you can click Stop Copying next to the respective trader copy settings or bot copy settings. Once you cancel copying a master trader, you'll be given two options: close the remaining positions or terminate all bots at the market price. Continue copying until the positions are closed or the bots are terminated. During these times, only the closing signals will be copied. No new orders or position changes from the master trade will be copied. After the copy trading is fully cancelled and all positions or bots are closed, your invested funds will automatically be transferred to your funding account regardless of the source account. If you ever wish to resume copy trading, simply go back to the Copy Trading Classic Settings page and click Start Copying. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.